Welcome. Today, we will talk about client-vendor beginning balance and client-vendor transaction pages. At the first, let's open client-vendor beginning balance by writing in the search bar client-vendor, and it will appear here, client-vendor beginning balance. Let's click on it. This page is used for entering the beginning balance of the client or the vendor if it's not recording in the application on the system of it. So now to add a new record, just click on the sign plus. You can choose if it's client or vendor from here. So I'll choose Shahid. And then you can choose the Arabic name, the English name, even the date. After that, if she is a client, so she will be in debit. But if she is a vendor, so she will be in the credit. So I will choose the credit 1000. And after that, you can add a note here if you want. For an example, she is an important vendor. After that, click on the check mark to save the changes. And you can also post this page. But remember, after clicking on post, you cannot edit anything in this page again. So this bill posted successfully. To open its list, you can get it by clicking on the paper icon here. And then specify the date you want from here and click on get server data to get all the data relevant to this main period. As you can see here, as in Al-Wasta, you can group by column like that. And then for searching for any client you want, you can just click on the sign plus to show you what you want. You can also remove a column like that, or you can add a column by clicking on the header of any column, right click and then choose column chooser. Choose the column you want and put it whatever you want, or you can remove that column. You can also export it to an Excel sheet as I told you before, or you can preview this list by clicking on print preview button. So you can export it to anything you want, or you can print it by clicking on print button. Now let's open client vendor transaction page. This page is showing you every transaction that have been happened between the client or vendor. So just specify the date as any list and then click on get server data. It will get you all the data relevant to this main period. And as I told you before, as any list, you can group by column, make a filter, or make a sort. You can export it to an Excel sheet by clicking on export button from here. And then click on OK. After choosing its location, like that, click on save. And then an Excel sheet will be opened with you containing this list, as you can see here. You can also preview it by clicking on print preview. And that was all about client vendor beginning balance and client vendor transaction pages. Thanks for watching.